Hi guys, Isabel here, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to transform any image or sketch into Segy format, then georeference it to a given set of coordinates, set the time length, and then import it to OpendTect. This Segy file can also be imported into Petrel, and it can be used into your seismic interpretation. So let's get started. Okay, so to start we're gonna open our image file. So we go to File, Open. In this window we open the file, we select our sample file JPG. So we have a preview of the file, and we proceed to populate the coordinates for both sides of the image. We get the coordinate X for the left side of the image, and then the Y coordinate. Then we just input the X coordinate for the right side of the image. And we get the Y coordinate for the right side of the image. In this case it could be west to east or north to south, or the way you want to have your orientation of your line or your sketch. Now we just put the time length as 4200 milliseconds, and here we have the image is open. When we preview our traces, since this image is being converted to Segy, we have multiple traces, and every trace has a different coordinate. Now we still can do the same operations as we do with any regular Segy file, like looking at traces. We can zoom in and zoom out, and we can change it back to density display. We can change the brightness or the clipping for the image. In this new version of Seismographic, we can have traces and density display at the same time. Now we proceed to export our file. We select the directory and the name of the file that we're going to be exporting it to. We're just going to name it sketch.sgy. And then we can select if we want a CITIC or ASCII file or IBM32 or IEEE format, and our file has been exported, so it's ready to be imported into OpendTect. So now we just open OpendTect. We already have one line loaded, which is gonna be referenced to the sketch that we just converted. So we're just gonna show the data for this line that's already there. This is the line, and alongside with this line we're gonna show our sketch. So that sketch might help us to do a better interpretation of the line, like selecting some horizons and well, some other stuff you can do with it. Now we're gonna open our sketch file. We open it, and as we see, OpendTect has read all the coordinates and has the ranges for it. Now we're just gonna name it sketch. We go OK, and we can close this window now, and we have the line in, or the sketch in OpendTect. Now we're just gonna load the line, and now we can show the attribute, which is the data. We go OK, and here is our sketch loaded into OpendTect along with a real 2D line, so we can work on both at the same time. The sketch can help in the line interpretation. You can have you can create your own 2D lines that you can put in between two real 2D lines and help you better pick your horizons and get the understanding of the structures that you're modeling. So this is all for now. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.